In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF in Canva. GIFs are a fun and engaging way to share information or entertain, and with Canva, creating them is a breeze. Whether you're looking to spice up your social media posts or simply want to explore new creative outlets, this step-by-step guide will show you how to craft the perfect animated GIF in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, navigate to Canva's homepage. In the search bar at the top, type in GIF. This will pull up a variety of templates specifically designed for creating GIFs. Canva offers a vast selection to suit any need or style, so take a moment to browse through the options available and find a template that catches your eye. Once you've found a template you like, select it by clicking on it. This choice will open the template in Canva's editor. Now you have the opportunity to customize it to suit your specific requirements and preferences. Click on Customize this template and you'll be transferred to the design interface where you can modify text, colors and images to make the GIF truly your own. This is where creativity comes into play, so don't hesitate to experiment with different elements to achieve the look you're going for. After customizing your design to your satisfaction, look for the Share button, typically located in the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking on this will present you with various options for sharing and downloading your design. Select Download and you'll see a list of format options for saving your creation. By default, Canva might suggest downloading your design as an MP4 video. However, since we are aiming to create a GIF, you should click on the drop-down format menu and select GIF as your preferred file type instead. Why choose GIF over MP4? Well, GIFs are looping animations perfect for quick eye-catching visual content. Once you've selected GIF, hit the download button and Canva will start processing your creation. Depending on your design's complexity, this may take a few moments, and there you have it. Your brand new GIF is ready to use. It's now saved to your device and you can share it on social media, embed it in a presentation, or just enjoy it for what it is. A creation born from your creativity and the versatility of Canva. Creating GIFs in Canva is as simple and straightforward as that. With just a few clicks you can bring static images to life, adding a dynamic touch to your digital presence. So why not give it a try? Dive into Canva, unleash your creativity and start making some amazing GIFs today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more creative tips and tutorials.